It's Metal Clock with Mr. Hlajwayo. Welcome to another video.
Alright, so now we are going to be examining now Theorem 8, right? So basically, what Theorem 8 states that? Theorem 8 states that now the tangents that are drawn from the same point, are going to be equal in length. This is what this theorem states, right? So actually what we are required to prove according to this theorem, we are required to prove that now this RK is equals to your PK. You are required to prove that RK tangent RK is equals to PK. This is what we are required to prove. So now what is it that you are going to do firstly here? So we are going to start by firstly providing construction. If you are having this as your center, you are going to firstly construct your radius here, and also you are going to construct also your radius here, and then after that you are going to construct this line which is OK. So basically you are going to construct these line segments. You are going to provide construction, or you're going to construct, and this is line, firstly line OR, or radius OR, what also OP and OK. These are the lines that you are firstly going to construct. After that, people, what you are then going to do is, now you are going to look at this particular triangle. Here you are going to be looking at these triangles. Now to prove that this side is actually equal to this side, you are going to use congruency to prove that now in triangle POK, and in which triangle, and in triangle ROK. You are going to look at these particular two triangles. Then now the first thing that you are going to do, now you are going to say firstly, what you are going to prove here, you know that OR is going to be equal to your OP. These are your radius, right? So you are going to say OR is equal to your what? Your OP. And the reason for this, you are going to say these are your radius, right? Or your radii, right? And then after that, what is it that you are going to do also from here? You are going to say, now from here, look, can you see that OK in this particular triangle is the same as OK in this particular triangle, right? So OK, therefore, is equal to OK on both of these triangles, and this is because this is a common side. This is a common side. And now from here, you are then going to apply theorem 7. Theorem 7 states that now a line drawn from the center perpendicular to the tangent, which means it forms what? It forms a 90 degrees here. It forms a what? A 90 degrees here. So basically, which means now your angle OPK, or actually your angle P, is equal to your angle R. Your angle P, in this case, yes, we are going to refer it to your angle P. Your angle P is going to be equal to your angle R. This is because now both of these are going to be equal to your 90 degrees. What is going to be your reason here? This is because your tangent is perpendicular to your radius, right? Your tangent is perpendicular to your radius. So that's therefore this, your P is equal to your angle R, which is both of them are equal to 90 degrees. Now that you have proven all these three things to be the same, now you can conclude on congruency of these two triangles. You can conclude that triangle POK is congruent to triangle ROK. But it is important to therefore write it in the format or in the form that you have proven with. Look, you started with OR, then K. Here you started with what? With OP, then K. So similarly, you're going to say, therefore, triangle ORK is congruent to triangle what? Is congruent to triangle OPK. OPK. Thus, therefore, this is going to be, what is going to be your reason? Here you use the what? You use the side. You use the side. You use the angle. So your reason is going to be what? It's going to be side, angle. Your reason is going to be side, angle. Now, if you have proven that these triangle and these triangle are congruent, you can then now conclude that, therefore, actually, your RK is equals to your PK. And your conclusion, you are drawing it for the fact that these particular triangles are congruent to each other. So if they are congruent to each other, they are going to be the same in length. They are also going to be the same in angles. So therefore, these sides are going to also be congruent. Then this is theorem 8, which states that now tangents that are drawn from the same point. If you are drawing a tangent from the same point, these sides or these tangents are going to be equal in length. Then this is your theorem 8.